Cucina Express in just a few minutes. Do you want to fix that moment with a delicious little treat? I'll start with this recipe that only needs 4 ingredients. For this recipe, I will use 6 empanadillas or pastry discs and repeat the process for each one. A little bit of cooked ham in the center, a little bit of tomato on top of it, and a little bit of goat cheese, which gives it a fantastic touch. And then I fold the 2 sides of the pastry disc over themselves, making sure it's sealed and covered like this. I'm telling you, we're going to repeat this with as many bites as you want. In my case, I'm going to make 6. Let me remind you. Wafer, ham, cooked tomato, and goat cheese. To give it a shine, I recommend that you take an egg and beat it. This is optional, but the touch of beaten egg on top looks really good. We use the same papers that come with the wafers and place them directly in our air fryer or on a baking tray, if you want to prepare them in the oven. And now you just have to brush them, as you can see here. We're going to place them directly in our little machine at 170 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then they'll have this amazing look. If you make them in the oven, they'll need to be in there for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Look, how amazing they look, how golden brown. Crispy and with the cheese melting inside. A real delicacy that, as you've seen, was made in just a few minutes. And look inside, how good it is. It's got everything. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, the cheese melting. Everything is wonderful.